wanted to do a tutorial on how I made these cat eye kind of galaxy looking nails with the stars. And what's cool about them is it's not just one color. I used 3. So the cat eyes that I'm using are from Amazon. They're the Meet Across, and they're like the lighter shade range. They have like 2 different shade ranges, like a lighter one. This like feels more like lighter pastel-y kind of. That's what these are. And they have a darker one. So if you look up like just Meet Across on Amazon and cat eye, you'll find them. So I really like this one. So we're gonna recreate this. So for this set I used this one, believe it or not, and the blue. Almost forgot. Okay, and then it comes with this magnet. And I start with a base coat of a color, so you can have the nail like already prepped and ready to go and shaped. So if you have done already like your hard gel or your soft gel, doesn't matter what color it is, because you're gonna cover it up. So this is just a Cecilia. This is just cheap gel polish from Amazon. This is the gel polishes I've started out with, because I don't have too many colors, but you just want a color that is dark enough as just a base. It doesn't have to be gray, it can be black, it can be any color, really. These are pretty pigmented. You don't really see the color underneath too much, just a bit, but I really like the gray. And then you'll cure it for a minute. So the gel polish is cured. You can see you only need 1 coat really, just a little bit of color. And I'm going to show you what I did to kind of blend these. You might want something to wipe off on, so I'm just going to put down this piece of paper towel. I usually have like aluminum foil or something plastic that I can easily just like wipe off. I'm just gonna, like, honestly, there's no like rhyme or reason. You just kind of place the gel polish wherever you want. Just kind of bring it across. You kind of want it thicker. I'll wipe it off just in case I get some of that blue on there and the pink. I kind of want to blend those 2. And that one. And make it a little thicker. So I'll be honest, sometimes this took me 2 tries, just like that. But what I would do, so you have the magnet. So there's this side and this side, the circle side. So usually you would start off by trying to like pull it all into the middle. It's like magic, right? And then I would try and grab this and pull it down here, trying to go with the flow of the color. Kind of see the dimension, and then kind of go from the middle and pull it over like that. I'm gonna pull it a little more to the edge. I'm not entirely happy with that, so what I'm gonna do is just apply more of all the colors. Kind of thickens it up a bit as well. This is what I did on most of my nails, to be honest, because it wasn't thick enough. And you only do 1 coat of this, that's why. You don't really apply 2 coats of the cat eyes, you just do 1, move it around where you want it, and then that's it. So the pink, which is kind of like a blender. You don't have to be set on where you've placed the gel. That's what I love about gel as well, is that you can fiddle with it. So now I've done it in like a diagonal, you see? So we're gonna grab it with this one and pull it across. Oh, that's sweet. There we go. And grab this side and pull it across. Down a little more. Okay, pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna cure it. Okay, so I cured it in the lamp for a full minute. Just so you know, you may run into the product like seeping into the cuticles. So just be mindful of that when you are applying a second, like another coat to thicken it up to get the magnet and the glitter where you want it. But now I want to move on to making these stars. So I've got Nail Queen Intense White, the most pigmented white you'll ever see in your life. I don't have a lot left, as you can see, and some other colors kind of got in there, but we kind of work around it because I mostly use this white for nail art. I'm in the process of buying another one. So what we need, so this is a like medium striper brush, and I cut it to suit my needs because I wanted things to be sharper. So just know that cut your brushes like you should. It's a good idea. Cut them to how you want them. I keep cutting it, to be honest. And you just need like a dotting tool. This one's double-ended. I actually got, I think, both of these from when I did Nail Queen's course. So she does a weekend like intensive for your certification. I'll show you how we do this. I need this on the 6th. I'm left-handed, and you wanna kind of place them maybe where you can see that it like at some points dips down to like no glitter at all. So I want one like here, little baby one, another one here. Let's use the other end to do a couple big ones. Do one here, and maybe another like a little guy here. Okay, so you have your dots. Go over here, and then you just want to like go through each one and pull down, pull to the side, go up, and then I turn my hand so I can get a better view. It doesn't really need to be perfect, to be honest. Let's make the sky a little bit, you want the ends to usually be a little bit longer, and then the sides a little shorter. Okay. And also, do not be afraid to wipe off if you need. And then you want to cure it. I usually cure everything for 60 seconds, especially a really pigmented white like this. That one big dot there, the bigger one, you do want to make sure that fully cures because you don't want it to like come loose at any point and then, you know, ruins the whole look. Okay, so now that's all cured, we're gonna want to top coat. So I've got Nail Queen Diamond Gloss Top Coat, the shiniest and lasts the longest top coat. And I'm honestly running low, so. And then you're gonna wanna cure that for 60 seconds. And here is the finished look.